A loss of 4.7% in PAX Gold is forecast by August 14 per crypto predictions. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. PAX Gold is showing a 0.7% loss since yesterday and now trades close to $4,369.50. Let's step into today's projections now. By August 14-30, rates predicts a level of $4,510. That's about 3.2% more than the current price. PAX Gold may approach $4,430 per coin price forecast, a rise of approximately 1.4%. Gov Capital notes it may head upward toward $4,388.91, around 0.4% higher. A separate forecast from Crypto Prediction shows PAX Gold could approach $4,166.14, an estimated decline of 4.7%. And to wrap up, CoinDataFlow predicts $4,141.43 by tomorrow, a decrease of 5.2%. This one shows the highest return potential. We've covered 5 analysts. Let's go forward. With forecasts in mind, let's explore what's behind each one. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a decline of 5.2% and a rise of 3.2% depending on the analyst. Reviewing the results, CoinDataFlow shows the highest return with 5.2% gain in value by August 14. From this you could see returns of between $4 and $52 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Gov Capital's forecast shows the greatest probability of success at 65.3%. By assembling the 5 forecasts, I've presented a unified consensus outlook. According to the consensus, PAX Gold is expected to move toward $4,327.29. Let's unpack the numbers. The consensus forecast shows a possible price decline of 1% by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also advance by 1%. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $10 more. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 58.2%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. 30 Rates notes that PAX Gold appears set to push higher. An upward drive is likewise anticipated by coin price forecast. Gov Capital emphasizes that the near-term path looks steady, with no significant change expected. Crypto predictions suggest PAX Gold could slide further. A stable outlook is projected by CoinDataFlow, suggesting no major drivers for movement. Overall, the consensus points to PAX Gold showing stability without clear upward or downward movement. So overall, most analysts expect PAX Gold to move in an upward direction. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today, we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. As a result, yesterday concluded with the price at $4,405.80. The majority of analysts turned out correct about the direction. The prediction with the highest precision was made by Crypto Predictions. Now we'll sort out the results in detail. Yesterday showed that only one forecast matched the candle. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but 30 Rates topped the list. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. Crypto Predictions reached accuracy, while forecast probability was 65.6% and ROI 0.4%. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Now let's take a moment to look at tomorrow's return expectations for PAX Gold alongside a few other coins. Forecast comparisons place PAX Gold at 4th place, with AVE forecasting 7%. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the wider ranking across many cryptocurrencies is already online. We'll stop here. Subscribe so you're ready for tomorrow's new forecasts. Talk to you soon.